Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. As we already know that there is a certain limitation, there is a certain number of chart of accounts that you can have or certain number of accounts that you can have in QuickBooks Online. So we are going to try to delete some of the accounts from QuickBooks Online using the dancing numbers. Now if you are not signed in to QuickBooks already, you can either click on sign in from here from the top right corner, or you can click on start to start the delete process. On the next screen, you click on sign in with Intuit, wherein if the dancing numbers is connected with QuickBooks Online, you will be taken directly to the delete options. If it is not connected already, you will be prompted to enter the QuickBooks login ID and the password. So here we are. We can pick chart of accounts from here, and if you would like to specify or filter the data as per the name, the account type, the date, or the active status, you can choose that accordingly or filter the data accordingly and click next. On the next screen, it will show you the number of accounts that are there, and I say yes. Depending on the internet speed, depending on how much information that we have in QuickBooks Online, it may take some time to load this page. Now here, if you would like to specify or if you would like to delete only a few accounts or the specific accounts, you can click the checkbox one by one, or if you would like to try to delete all of them, all you need to do is to click here and click delete. Now make sure that you have saved your information before doing this activity. Also, if there is any account wherein you have made a transaction, or if an account is associated with any particular transaction in your QuickBooks Online, we are not allowed to delete that. And as mentioned earlier, depending on the number of accounts, depending on the internet speed, it may take some time. So as you can see, most of them have been deleted and some of them have not been deleted because they are used for some sort of transactions. If I want to see which accounts are deleted, all I need to do is to click on deleted. It will show all the accounts that are deleted here. If I want to see the error, I can click on the error tab. This will show me only the errors why it was not able to delete, so that we can go back into QuickBooks Online and fix the things accordingly. Now, that should be it. Thank you.